Hi, my name is Hannah Pullen. This is my chapter 13 and 14 video summary. So for chapter 13, it's all about leadership perspective. So leadership is a process of providing general direction from a position of influence to individuals or groups toward the successful attainment of goals. So there's some main differences between a leader and a manager, and then there's some similarities as well. So a leader is a visionary. They set long-term goals, inspire followers. They look at the big picture, and they're a role model. Meanwhile, managers have short-term goals. They train and develop, promote stability, and then ensure operations run smoothly. Some similarities they have is that they both work with people and they both set goals. There's 4 different types of leaders. There's directive leadership, transactional, visionary, and empowering. Directive is going to be implementing guidelines, providing expectations. Transactional is going to be rewards and punishment-based system. Visionary, visions to motivate, inspire, and stimulate employees. And then empowering leads others to lead themselves. There's also a culturally endorsed leadership theory. It's also called a CLT, and they have 6 dimensions. There's charismatic, value-based, team-oriented, participative, humane-oriented, autonomous, and then self-protective. And then chapter 14 is about influence, power, and politics. So the concept of power is to influence the actions of others. So there are 2 sources of power, organizational and personal. So organizational power has 3 different types. So there's legitimate power, reward power, and coercive power. Legitimate is power due to senior position, reward power is providing incentives, and then coercive power is punishments, threats, and sanctions. Personal power has 2 different types, expert and referent. Expert is power based off of possession of knowledge, and then referent power is being fair and approachable. There's 4 types of organizational politics as well. So there's the weeds, which is a place where people engage in politics using personal influence. The rocks, which is people in authority use hard power to enforce decisions. And then the high ground, rules, structures, and policy guidelines are set formally in place. And then lastly, there's the woods, which is focusing on the issue rather than the hidden problem.